I think this is one of the fastest wig installs that I have ever done. And then on the fact that it's glueless, like it is fully glueless. I could lift it up if I want to, like so. This is just the regular body wave that came. I didn't even put any product in this hair. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kiannamoracia and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a different type of tutorial. I am going to be taking today's tutorial very slow because I noticed some people say I do go a little bit fast in my tutorials. This is going to be a short one, but it will be fast. Today we have an Amazon wig from the company Nadula Hair on Amazon. This is another bye-bye knot unit. I'm still going to do the bye-bye knots. Don't do me. I'm doing an entire glueless series because I have a lot of people who want to get into glueless wigs. This is a 24-inch body wave 7x5 bye-bye knot unit. It comes plucked, bleached, ready to wear fresh out the box. It comes with baby hairs, you name it, everything already is there. And it also comes pre-cut. And when I say ready to wear fresh out the box, usually I will give it some type of curl, but this curl on the hair was so beautiful that I really did wear it fresh out of the box. I didn't even have to curl the hair. I just flipped it over and put it on my head, which is why this video is so short. I'm giving you guys a close-up of the hairline just so you can see how detailed they are in plucking and making the baby hairs. They didn't make too much, just enough so that it can fit anybody's liking, and the parting space goes back 5 inches deep, which gives it the perfect frontal illusion. This wig also comes with a grip lining around the edges and a grip elastic band which prevents it from stretching out. You can see that I have very old braids, which is the reality for most of my subscribers. I feel like getting fresh braids all the time and just doing every install like down to the T sometimes it's hard. I'm not gonna do all that for a glueless wig. Plus, I want to showcase how easy glueless wigs are, so you really don't need to do that, nor do you need to do a ball cap method. All you have to do is just tuck those old braids underneath the wig cap, make sure your edges are pushed back, and you are good. Like I said, I'm taking this video slow, and this is the grip lining elastic band that I'm talking about. This comes with most of the bye-bye knot wigs, just to make sure that the elastic band doesn't get stretched out. As with other glueless wigs, these ones are different, and it makes sure that the elastic is gripped to your head, so it's not going to move or slide off. There's also a grip lining around the wig if you don't want to use the elastic band, but if you have a small head, the elastic band can definitely help to make your wig as fitted as possible, regardless of your cap size. To put anything on the lace, I'm not doing anything except using my Ebin lace tint. That is the only thing that I use every single time I do a glueless wig. Sometimes I might add a little bit of a darker powder depending on the type of lace, but this video I just used the lace tint. It is in the shade medium dark brown. As you can see, it matches my foundation shade perfectly. I wouldn't get dark brown just because I don't like when my lace looks too dark. It's better to have it lighter and then go back in and fix it. And then I'm putting the band on and pulling the wig over and then adjusting the front. I know that was a little bit quick, so I am going to redo that clip for you to see. First things first, I put the band at the back. I pulled the back all the way over, like all the way over to the bottom of my braids. The front might go underneath, that's okay. You're just going to lift it up and flip it over. And then it should be very snug on your head. That elastic band in the grip lining is what's going to actually stick the wig to your head, which is why you don't need any adhesive. So now I'm just going all around and adjusting the size of the wig, making sure my ears are out. You don't have to have your ears inside of a wig with a glueless wig if you don't want to. With the 7x5s, you can definitely just keep them out. And then look at how gorgeous the curl pattern is on the wig, which is why I chose not to do any curls at all. I didn't cut the hair. I didn't put any product in it. I literally just put lace tint on and then flipped it over. So this is truly ready to wear fresh out of the box. For this to be a glueless Amazon wig that comes bleached, plucked, already customized with baby hairs, and has the perfect curl pattern fresh out the box, I definitely was surprised. This is probably one of the best Amazon wigs I've gotten simply because of the fact that anybody can wear it and you could just put it on fresh out of the box. So yeah, Nadula definitely did their thing. The hair is also very full, and like I said, there were no products at all used in this install. And it's an Amazon wig, like that's the most crazy part, so yeah. I think this is one of the fastest wig installs that I have ever done, simply because of the fact that these are the natural curls that came with the wig. This is just the regular body wave that came. I didn't even put any product in this hair. I was gonna curl it and then I'm like, oh my gosh. The way this hair looks naturally is already just so... And then on the fact that it's glueless, Like, it is fully glueless. I could lift it up if I want to, like so. I didn't even refresh the edges. I honestly felt like everything was just perfect the way it was. This is a real fresh out the box type of wig. Now, I'll be like, you can wear it fresh out the box and then I curl it. No, this is like a fresh out the box. I didn't even curl it. I didn't do anything to the edges. I literally flipped it on, perfected the part, and then that was it. And as you can see, I have a whole bunch of parting space. This is a 7x5 wig, so you have a good amount of space at the front. It does give that frontal effect, and the edges are so luxurious and pretty. This wig is from none other than Nadula hair. Now, this is really a like what I ordered, what I got type of version, because the wig just looks exactly how you would imagine a nice glueless wig to look. I didn't do anything to these curls. These are the curls that came fresh out the box. Like, I'm gonna keep saying it, fresh out the box, because when I say fresh out the box, I mean like this is what I got. I literally just, you know, ran my fingers through them a little bit, and look at how nice this hair looks. The hair is 24 inches. It goes all the way down to the length, so you know it's not short in the frontal area. A lot of the times when you get longer wigs, they are short in the frontal area, or they use like a skimpy closure, but not this one. This one, you get all of your length in the closure as well, so you don't have to worry about your hair looking choppy if you don't want it to look like that. You also can layer it yourself and still have a very thick look at the end. You don't have to worry about, you know, cutting the hair. If you want to cut this hair, you could cut this hair. I would recommend doing so. Some heavy layers on this would look nice, but I really did just want to highlight how good it looks fresh out of the box, like with nothing at all, just fresh out the box, no product. I literally flipped it over, tightened the elastic band, and this is it. Like, if you really were in a go, let's say you were going somewhere and your wig came at 5:45 and you had to leave at 6, you could pop this on and get out the door with it, just like this. So the wig is gorgeous. I love low effort wigs. That's one thing I love as a wig influencer, a wig that does not take 20 million steps to get it right, because a lot of people are beginners, and as a beginner, I know I did not want no wig that I had to spend 2 days working on, or that I would have to spend like $200 for an appointment to make it look good. I want a wig that I can just do by myself and still get a nice result. So this is definitely for you. The bye-bye knots means that it comes fully bleached. As you can see from literally just me bowing down and showing you guys, these knots are fully bleached. You did see my close-up that I included all throughout the video where it was just the knots. None of the knots were unbleached. They bleached all of them, and the bye-bye knots, they come pre-plucked as well. So if you really do struggle with customizing your wig, you don't have to worry about any of that stuff or paying somebody a whole bunch of money to do it, because the price that they charge for wig installs these days is practically the cost of a new wig. If you want a beginner friendly wig like this, fresh out the box, as I said, I didn't do anything to it, nothing at all. I just put it on. The details will be in the description box below. Also, make sure you check out my glueless wig playlist. I have an entire playlist of glueless wigs. I also have some from Nadula specifically, so I will tag that below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.